Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, August 8th. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has instructed the Development Bank of Jamaica to source up to $1 billion to support agricultural expansion. He says the funds should be distributed on an incentives basis to ensure there is full return on the investment. Asserting that agriculture is the quickest way to achieve 5% growth in 3 years, Mr. Holness says the resource allocation will be done in a fiscally prudent manner.
We must support agriculture that is seeking to add value. We must support businesses in agriculture that are exporting. Number one, earning foreign exchange. We must support businesses in agriculture that are doing what I like to hear, import substitution.
Prime Minister Holness was speaking Monday at the third and final day of the 65th Denby Agricultural, Industrial and Food Show in Clarendon. Meanwhile, Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, Carl Samuda, called for stronger commitment by the private sector in support of local farmers.
Display your commitment to Jamaica by investing in the land, putting your money to support the farming community, make arrangements with farmers that would produce what you need to sell rather than to buy those things abroad and bring them here to be sold.
Minister Samuda was speaking at the 65th Denby Agricultural Show on Saturday. The annual event was held under the theme, Grow What We Eat What We Grow, a salute to our farmers, nation builders. In other news, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton is awaiting a report from the Western Regional Health Authority on construction work being carried out at the Savannah Lamar Hospital's pediatric ward while children were still there. The work has since stopped following orders by the Health Minister. In a statement on the matter, Dr. Tufton said that under no circumstance should children in the hospital's care be subjected to such conditions. He expressed regret that the children, parents and guardians had to endure this indiscretion. Jamaicans holding foreign passports are now able to enter the country and remain for 6 months. Previously, Jamaicans with dual nationality traveling on non-Jamaican passports would be landed as foreigners and allowed to stay in Jamaica for the period granted to that particular nationality. This new arrangement is due to an order signed by National Security Minister Robert Montego, which took effect August 1. It is intended to strengthen government's move to encourage Jamaican citizens in the diaspora to visit and spend more time in their homeland. Government and its partners are using the Jamaica House event in the Indigo O2 Arena in London to showcase the island and forge partnerships. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Olivia Grange, says several bilateral meetings are part of the marketing event, which is being held to take advantage of the World Athletic Championships.
Some of those discussions are a continuation of discussions held previously, where we will now finalize the arrangements with those countries. For example, we are in discussion as we speak with China about assisting us in gymnastics, badminton, and swimming.
Jamaica House in London is a collaboration between the Sport and Tourism Ministries and is focused on Destination Jamaica.
And there's a special arrangement to meet people in the travel trade, travel agents and others, to have discussions about airlift, to have discussions about marketing Jamaica.
Jamaica House was first launched in 2012 around the London Olympic Games to take advantage of the global focus on the nation's athletes and brand Jamaica. And finally, as the country celebrated its independence on the weekend into Monday, the nation's leaders called on citizens to draw strength from their achievements over the past 55 years and to build on them. Governor General Sir Patrick Allen says that of note is Jamaica's democracy and freedom, which though not perfect, is a standard for other countries to follow.
We have developed a reputation for free and fair elections, a highly respected judicial system, and a vibrant press and media which together keep us informed, entertained, and influential.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness echoed the sentiments while saluting the achievements made in macroeconomic reform, which he says is a sacrifice made to strengthen our financial independence.
We have achieved record low inflation rates and have significantly cut our debt to GDP ratio. We now boast a budget surplus after many years of chronic deficits.
He also urged social responsibility towards nation building. And leader of the opposition, Dr. Peter Phillips, says that if all Jamaicans come together with fixity of purpose, the country will be able to build on the gains made towards creating a more caring, productive, prosperous, and equitable society.
We must be inspired by what we have achieved as a people and become even more determined to fulfill our potential as a country. It is clearly a time for a renewal of our national spirit and of our commitment to build a Jamaica that works for all its people.
And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.